Kobe is known for its port, its mountains, and the sea that defines this city. But for centuries, Kobe has always been one of the most important sake regions in Japan. Today, we are walking through 3 historic sake breweries to understand how Japanese sake is made and why this place matters. This area is part of what's known as Nadagogo, Japan's most famous sake producing region. Here, everything comes together. High-quality rice from nearby regions, clean, mineral-rich water known as Miyamizu, and easy access to sea routes that once carried sake across the country. Sake here is not accidental. It's the result of geography, history, and time. Our first stop is Hakutsuru, one of the largest and the most influential sake producers in Japan. Walking inside feels less like entering a bar and more like stepping into a living archive. Traditional tools, wooden vats, scenes showing how sake was made hundreds of years ago. Hakutsuru represents the industrial side of sake brewing, large-scale production, but deeply rooted in tradition. Even today, the basic process hasn't changed much. Rice is polished, steamed, fermented with koji mold, and carefully monitored over time. Sake is not rushed, it's guided. At the end of the visit, tasting the sake feels less like a reward and more like a quiet conclusion to the process. Kiku-Masamune has long been known for its bold, dry style of sake. This is the kind of sake traditionals enjoyed with males, clean, sharp, and honest. Inside the museum, the focus shifts from production to people, how sake fits into everyday life, how it was shaped, stored, and consumed. At the tasting counter, you begin to understand the philosophy. This sake doesn't try to impress, it tries to belong. It made to be shared, to accompany food, to quietly support the moment. And finally, we arrive at the most intimate stop of the day. Hamafukutsuru feels different the moment you enter. Smaller, more personal. Here you can actually see sake being brewed, not as an exhibit, but as a living process. Steam rises from the rice, machines hum quietly, and the brewers work with focused calm. This is where sake feels human, not mass-produced, not abstract, just rice, water, and careful hands. Tasting the sake here, you are reminded that craftsman is not about scale, it's about attention. Through these 3 breweries, we see different faces of Japanese sake, industrial and historic, everyday and practical, personal and artisanal. Yet they are all shared something in common: patience, precision, and respect for the process. Sake is not designed to stand out loudly, it's designed to stay. In Kobe, sake flows quietly between mountains and the sea. It carries history, craft, and the rhythm of daily life. And perhaps that's what makes Japanese sake special. Not how strong it is, not how rare it is, but how naturally it fits into the moment. Thank you for working with me today. See you next time.